Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I would like to say compliment of the season to every one of you. Maybe you are in America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, and all other places around the globe. I say welcome to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. It has been a while that I showed up here, but for some reasons best known to me. But thank God I'm here today. So what I have to share with you today is 45% monthly profit. How you can make 45% monthly profit with a particular investment platform called Inteligence Prime Capital. Inteligence Prime Capital IPC. So the question is it legit or a scam? Is it a way whereby you can earn money online or another scam? Alright, because as we all know that there is a need for everyone to have multiple sources of income. There is a need. People are losing their job on daily basis due to the technology advancements, and there is tendency of more people losing their jobs. All right, so for this reason there is a need for you to diversify your economy. You need to have multiple sources of income. That is the reason why you need to diversify your economy. You need to make money. You need to make residual income. There is a need for you to have a way whereby you are making residual income on daily basis. And this is one of the reasons why this channel is created, to share with you some ways whereby I personally have been making money for myself online, and to review online business to know if it is legit or a scam, for you not to dive into such and lose your money at the end of the day. So this is Intelligence Prime Capital video. So I would like you to watch this video to the very end to have full information about this platform, if it is what you can venture into or not. So just stay tuned to the end of this video, and you are going to know my recommendation. Okay, but before I go deep into this video, I would like to tell you that this video is brought to you because of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell. Just take your time to browse through the channel. There are several videos that I've done in the past on how you can make money online, so take your time to watch any of the videos there. And if you think it is what you can give a try, then you can also do your personal findings before you venture into any of the online any of the videos that I've posted that are presently available on the channel. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is 45% monthly profit with Intelligence Prime Capital. Is it legit or a scam? So quickly, let me take you to the platform. All right, this is IPC platform. This is their home page, Intelligence Prime Capital. Intelligence Prime Capital. So what we have here is Intelligence Prime Capital Limited. The future is now. The future is now. That is, there's no need of procrastinating. You need to take this step right now. The next generation of trading tools. Access the latest market innovations, including MetaTrader and WebTrader. And I would like to tell you that one of the ways whereby you can make money online is trading forex, that is foreign exchange, whereby you can trade currency pair, indices, volatility, you can trade gold and any other things on forex. But before you trade forex, there are several requirements which includes the technical know-how, the knowledge in trading forex. You need to have a very good broker, and you need to have the trading tools like indicators to study the charts, to know. You need to have access to fundamental information, technical information for your analysis, and you need to have huge capital, because the higher the capital, the lower the risk when it comes to forex. Okay, and the higher your chance of winning trades. Okay, so now, but many people, they don't have all these requirements. For that reason, you just need to leverage on a particular company that gives you all this, that can provide you with all the requirements, and that is a bridge that Intelligence Prime Capital is covering up. Okay, so the trade forex, you can leverage on their robots. There is a particular robot, they call it AIA robot, which will be linked with your MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is a platform whereby you can trade forex. So you can access the forex market with MetaTrader 4 on your mobile devices. Okay, and also WebTrader on your PC. Okay, all right. So now, so for that reason, you have all the requirements provided by IPC to trade forex. So you have the robot that can trade forex successfully for you. So, but I will show you how to get known how to do that in the subsequent video. But I just want to know if this Intelligence Prime Capital is legit or is scam. Okay, so let's continue with the review on this particular platform. So what makes IPC trade different? What makes them different? Number one, who we have. IPC Capital is an international fintech company, that is financial technology company that provides financial services to hundreds and thousands of users around the world. You can read all this. You can read all this on your own. Then our mission, IPC Capital is here to serve the next generation of financial savvy users that grew up with the internet. Our vision, our values, collaboration, integrity. You can read all this on your own. You can read all this on your own. Okay, now one very important thing is this number 8, which is our certification, Canadian registration certificate, Intelligence Prime Capital Limited, number 1 Yonge Street, Suite 1304, Toronto, ON M5E. So this is their physical address, which you can trace. So this is their physical address. Okay, US data as a regulatory license. It is very important. So this is their MSB registration number here, initial registration. So it shows that this company, they are available. They really know what they are doing. This is a real company. It is a real company that knows what they are doing, that is well registered by the US government to carry out this type of operation. All right, so now our development approach, holistic ecosystem. The development of a holistic ecosystem involves the cooperation of individual users, enterprise, fintech providers, and regulatory authorities. It is very important that they are authorized to carry out this particular type of operation. We have users and companies from 10 countries: US, Canada, I don't know all these companies, or this is Nigeria, this is UK, I think this is Ghana here, and the other countries. So to me, this company, they really know what they are doing. They are duly registered with the US government. Canadian company, they are also registered with the Australian government to carry out this financial operation. All right, so but it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. You can also contact them. You can reach them through their social media site. This is YouTube, this is Twitter, this is Telegram. You can contact them through this platform, which is very important, very important. Okay, so some other information about them is that you earn between 15% and 45% per month. 15% and 45%, that is like up to 1.5% daily. If 45% is divided by 30, that is like 1.5, which is still achievable. And this is not over promising. All right, because there are several companies out there, they promise you heaven on earth so that they can attract you in registering, and at the end of the day, they run away, they carted people's fund, people's money, and they run through the thing here. Okay, IPC or iPrime Capital is an emerging technology company offering financial services to its users. You can read all through this. So you can read all through this. Okay, smart board. So they have 3 boards: smart board, brilliant board, and genius boards. So but the prices of this board have been reduced due to the festive season. So I'm going to take you to my account to show you some other things there. So to me, the recommendation that I will be giving is that to me it is a company that I can give a try. So you too, you can do your own due diligence research and to know if it is what you can also give a try. All right, so because I have invested here and my invested is now increasing, so I'm going to teach you how to link it up with your MetaTrader 4 app on your mobile device in my subsequent video. All right, you can see this is my account. I started with $150, but this is now $158, which I can withdraw anytime and anyhow, provided I input my wallet address there. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have any question concerning this video, just check the description box of this video for more information on how to go about it. So iPrime Capital to me is legit, and you also can give it a try. So to register, just check the registration link in the description box of this video for more information. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now. I love you all.